I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true. But the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya, dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like cause it's cold outside. The moments when I was thought as a joke, now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke. But I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope that you could do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to math like cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. Nothing's what it seems, got a pocket full of dreams. Alright guys, got the 350Z in the garage now. I'll just quickly go over it all. There's the oil cooler, power steering cooler. Accidentally hit the fender and the headlights at Archie, so that's already off. You got your racing seats. Hydro, but it's not connected yet. Got crown carbon crafting over fenders. I'm a single exhaust titanium all the way through. So hopefully I will have a full tube frame so that everything sits nicely in line. Yeah, so we just got to take the bonnet off, get the motor out, motor and gearbox out for the new owner. Yes, I'm keeping that. That's off my Turbo 350Z that I used to have, so I'll keep that. Got a spare one over here. Just give that one. But yeah, so first of all, where do I start? Probably have to take all that off. Jack the car up, get underneath, disconnect everything, drain all the coolant, disconnect all that. It's a lot of work. We'll get it done.